Yes, both are legit, both are profitable, both pay their members properly once you're funded and you made profits. But what's going to be unique between both of them will be determined in this video. So make sure you watch this video very end so you can know what's the major difference between Fivers and Maven, and you know which of them will be the best option for you as a trader. So whether you're a beginner trader, intermediate, or an advanced trader, you should know which of them work for you based on where you're at right now. All right, do want to like this video if this seems like something you love to see often. Subscribe to this community so I can create this into a playlist, and turn on notification bells to be notified once I drop new videos on it. All right, share with others, let them be helped out too, and let's do this with 5 hours in Maven. So yes, 5 hours better for traders. Maven easiest for them to pass. Why is Maven the easiest for them to pass? Just one trade can take you from phase one pass. You can go again to another trade, phase two passed, and then funded all in one day. So you can make your money easily one day with Maven. But you can't have the privilege of doing that with 5 hours. We should find out very soon, so let's not get too fast. Okay, the max cap with 5 hours is $4 million, while the max cap in Maven is $1 million. That's your capital. Okay, right? But when it gets to your account, you can trade properly. The maximum capital here with Marvin is $1 million. Maximum capital with 5 hours is $4 million. All right, quick start during the contest. So they've gotten some awards yet, same with Marvin, but I believe we're more inclined into the futures because that's what makes us interested in trading with them. All right. So new year was a new me. Interesting. All right, let's check out how to get started with them. So they have the hyper growth program, they have the high stakes program, have the bootcamp program. While with Marvin directly, you have the standard and instant, and while the standard has a 3-2-1, which they have here as 1-2-3, the instant also has its own part as instant and meaning directly. But we're going to focus on the instant, focusing on the two steps. So the two step here is high stakes, starting from $39. I'm going to click on this. So let's see more over there. You can see they've been here 2016, so that's old. Marvin has been here for a while, about 3 years plus, and still counting. So let's just proceed so we can know where we at. All right, high stakes. High stakes challenge, two-step program. Enjoy our two-step challenge and unlock the higher stakes growth plan. I don't know why I structured this way. The site is not really easy to move with, but let's flow. All right, evaluation phase on the 5K. So we're going to use 5K accounts and 100K so we can get explanation properly. So 5K. All right, the 5K account over here, your step one, maximum trading period is unlimited. So there's not like 30 days consistency trading days or 30 days in activity or something like that over here from what we can see here. Okay, so you see maximum trading period is unlimited, so you can keep on trading and trading and trading, which is great. Same thing with these guys over here. If you come to the features, that's details over here, you see here maximum trading days infinite, so that's great. Minimum profitable trading days 3, so you need to have 3 minimum profitable trading days over here. All right, to work with them. Yeah, you don't need that, just one day can do it for you. The maximum daily loss is 5%. Maximum daily loss with Marvin is 4%. The maximum loss is 10%. Maximum loss to Marvin is 8%. The cost here is $39. $39, while the cost here is $22. But if you pass phase one of your 5 hours account, you get a $5 reward, which means you'll be sent $5 as a reward, all right, for passing phase one, which you won't get with Marvin. If you just pass phase one, you get to phase two, just like that. But if you're looking into the long game, that's when you're the high stakes trader, a funded trader, you need 3 minimum profitable days to scale, still the same info, and then 10% for scaling too. So basically, if you want to scale your account, let's take it all the way up to scale your account higher, you need 10% profits over there. All right, you're getting your free refund, and you also be having the publish of 80% to 100%. Marvin, they've told you from the onset, you're earning 80%. All right, so they don't have add-ons to increase it. It's 80% with Marvin. Interesting. All right, so basically, let's go to 100K accounts and compare their costs and see which of them will be okay for us to draw it. All right, so 100K account on Marvin 100K account just cost $440. 100K account here is $445. So if you successfully pass phase one, that's $40 back. So let's say 505. Assuming I go through that, I can pass it easily. Here's 440. So yeah, and check that out. Apart from the costs, is there any other thing that's gonna make it really, really meaningful for us to work with them? Okay, so let's check. The profitable trading days here is 3, and you need to make at least 0.5% of the initial balance. Noted. Accounts without trading activity for more than 30 days will be expired. That's wild. And this counts from the registration day. Some platforms work with from your first trade, but this registration day. While Maven loan is indefinite, which means you can actually have your account, just purchase them and just keep them. Without trading on the account for months, your account will still be safe. I think that's a plus for Marvin. The daily loss 5%. We talked about that. Okay, so let's check the other updates that we can work with. You can hold trades overnight and over the weekend, so that's great. Same thing you can work with Marvin. Okay, so they also have maximum number of active accounts per trader. So you cannot just purchase accounts down anyhow. You need to work with certain amount of accounts. All right, so know how you trade. But with Marvin, you can just get your accounts and keep on working with it. Scaling up to $500,000. That's beautiful. Marvin scaling is up to $1 million, right? Overall, but initially is about $200,000 with Marvin. All right, so I think that's actually a great one. That's actually a great one directly. But you can see there's nothing much here with both of them. It's just that the cost from the fibers is more expensive than Marvin. But we're checking the inactivity segment. Marvin doesn't have that. Marvin is cost effective for beginners. So if you're a beginner trader, work with Marvin. We are someone that's looking to scale, looking at long term, can work with the fibers. Why am I saying that? After making your money, because Marvin has a maximum withdrawal of $100,000. After making your money with Marvin, you can look into working with your costs, your capital into other platforms. So 5ers is one of those platforms I can trust because they've been here for a while and they pay their traders directly. Okay, so basically make your money with Marvin and you can scale into 5ers. All right, so on profit match with the 5ers, you see their number 2. We'll check out their best sellers. Let's see where 5ers is going to stay again, because I know Marvin is number 3 here for best sellers, 5ers is number 4. So you can see they're just side by side, because when we checked here initially on favorite film, Marvin is number 5, right? This is Marvin number 5. 5ers number 2. This for what? Favorite film. When you come to the best sellers, people that sell fast and stuff like that, right? You can see Marvin number 3. Okay, cost is on their side, while the 5ers is number 4. So basically, I think this is actually still a beautiful one to look into over here. So right, you know differences, you know what works out for you. If you're a swing trader directly, you need to know how to manage your trades properly with Marvin, because with Marvin you have equity based drawdown, while the 5ers, I believe, is still equity based because they lost 5% of the starting equity of the day or the starting balance of the day, highest between them. Right, so it's more like equity based drawdown, equity or balance, same thing with Marvin. All right, so just know which of them you're working with properly and know how to manage your trades properly. Okay, I believe this will be good for you to work with. So basically, if you want to sign up on Marvin, the link is going to be in the comment section and in the pin post. I believe same can go with 5ers. If you have the link over there too, you can utilize them. And I believe this video has done the needful for you. All right, make sure you do what to like this video. If you want me to do more of this, subscribe to this channel with notification bell turned on and share this with others. Trust me, I'm going to bring in this playlist as a whole blown out playlist. So just support me and I'll do more for you. All right, join our Discord to get more of this. See you soon. Cheers.